Hey, welcome to my term 2. We'll go over a couple of things really quickly. For those of you that have taken midterm 1, it's just a rinse and repeat. So this is midterm 2. This is my office number. If you leave a message there, I will get it on my phone. I'm not in my office because it's summer. This is my email. This is the best way to reach me. I usually respond pretty quickly. So midterm 2 is just a continuation, really, of midterm 1. The only thing that you need to purchase is the ebook, Medical Terminology for Healthcare Professionals. If you purchased it for midterm 1, you're good to go. You don't need to buy it again. And if you need to buy it, if you did not take midterm 1, you just go to the Academo site and just purchase the ebook. It should be about $30. There is an option. You can purchase the MyLab and Mastering Tools. It's their online, kind of like their Moodle course. You don't need to purchase that. Just the ebook is good. Hey, make sure that you log in every week. Every day would be preferable so that you can get through your coursework. There is quite a bit more material in midterm 2 than in midterm 1. Midterm 1 was only a 1-hour course. Midterm 2 is a 2-hour course. So there's almost double the amount of course material. Hey, once again, you have your term flashcards. These are worth 10% of your grade. I'll show you those really quickly. Hey, with these term cards, all you have to do is look at them. Hey, there's the term, you have the definition, and then you click through to the next one. These are terms that will show up throughout the chapter. They're terms that you will need to know for each chapter. Going through these is worth 10% of your grade. It's pretty easy, 100 on those. The spelling practice, so the spelling practice is worth 15%. For the spelling practice, you just go through, click on the speaker icon. I will say a word. Sometimes my kids help me say the words. And then you just type what you hear with correct spelling. Doesn't need to be capitalized. And then I have the definitions up here. It's kind of another way to practice some of those terms and those definitions. Okay, and then you have your matching quizzes that are worth 20%. It'll cover, prefixes, suffixes, root words, combining forms, abbreviation, all that kind of stuff from the chapter. Those are timed, but you should have plenty of time to finish those. Then the chapter exams, multiple choice and matching questions on there. They're worth 30% of your grade. They are timed also, but you should have plenty of time to complete the chapter exams. And then you will have a final exam. It is worth 25% of your grade. It is a 100-question exam. It covers materials from all the chapters, but all the chapters just in midterm 2. It does not go back to midterm 1. Hey, extensions won't be given under normal circumstances, but I know that things happen. So if something happens, please communicate with me so that we can get something worked out. All of the modules as of this morning are open. You can get on and rock and roll and finish this way before August 6th. Excuse me. And then be done with it and take your final early. And then you don't have anything to worry about, if you want to get it all finished quickly. Disability services, if you need accommodations, let me know so that I can get those put in for you. And then here's a tentative schedule. If you kind of stick to the schedule, then you can stay on track and make sure that you have everything completed before August 6th. We'll go back here. So in midterm 1, we went through chapters 1 and 4, and then chapter 18. We'll just pick up in midterm 2. We have the skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, cardiovascular system. Skip chapter 9. And then do respiratory, urinary, endocrine, and nervous. Just like in midterm 1, you have the narrated PowerPoints that go over each chapter. So you click on those, and I kind of talk you through the lecture slides for each of the chapters. As of now, everything is complete except for chapter 13. I need to build the quizzes and the exam and put the PowerPoint up. I should have that done by the end of the week, but I don't think I don't think anyone will get to that point by the end of the week. And then I'll put the final exam up as soon as I build that. I think that's it. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I'll help you work through any problems or issues that you have. All right. Good luck with midterm 2, and you'll have a great rest of your summer. Bye.